Very good evening, everyone. We are, I think, in week 2 of lockdown as far as Mumbai is concerned. काफी सारे states हैं जो लॉकडाउन में है अभी भी, but when it comes to work and balanced nutrition, हम कभी लॉकडाउन में नहीं होते, है ना? That is what keeps us going. हमारे सारे soldiers बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन के, जिनको हम कहते हैं मेंटर्स, हमारी सारी टेक्निकल टीम, हमारी सारी ऐप टीम, हमारे काउंसलर्स, all of us are working day and night to make sure that you are getting healthy, you are getting your diet plans, you are getting all the advice you need battling the pandemic. Isn't it? Hi Radhika, everyone, a big hello to you. My name is Khyati Rupani and I am live from my own house. This is my bedroom as you see. Messed up books because खूब सारी पढ़ाई करनी है. I feel I should take this time out, read. I should take this time out also to develop new diet plans and also make sure that आप लोगों के लिए simple में simple चीजें should be introduced in your diet plan. लेकिन as usual I come up with certain things here and there because of you guys and your questions only, है ना? So what I wanted to address today especially is common misconceptions, you know. मेरे पास ये नहीं है इसलिए मैं डाइट नहीं कर सकती, अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है मैं डाइट नहीं कर सकती, यू नो. इनफैक्ट कोरोना वायरस के लिए भी people think that you know they cannot have certain foods in corona virus, they can have certain foods. recovery में ये खाना चाहिए, ये नहीं खाना चाहिए. all of those questions today is what I plan to answer. Okay, so पहले तो अपने confusions food related, जैसे कि सबसे बड़ा confusion is अगर मुझे खांसी हो रही है, if I'm having cough, should I be having dahi or no? Okay, not having dahi while you are you know suffering from cold cough. Basically coronavirus is you know a virus that affects the lungs the most. Okay, इसीलिए nasal and lung tissues हमारे बहुत affect हो जाते हैं. क्या आपको पता है lungs किसे बने हुए हैं? What are they made up of? Basically all essential organs are made up of a protein. Correct? और अब अगर हम आपको कहते हैं कि आपको दही लेना चाहिए, क्या लगता है आपको? क्या आपको दही लेना चाहिए? बिकॉज कोरोना वायरस इज वेर यू विल बी कॉफिंग, वेर यू विल बी स्नीजिंग, वेर यू विल बी हैविंग ऑल दोज यू नो सिम्टम्स. कोकोनट वाटर लेना चाहिए कि नहीं? कोकोनट वाटर तो काफी ठंडा पड़ जाता है. सो दैट इज वॉट आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर टूडे, बी इट कोविड रिलेटेड थिंग्स और बी इट वेट लॉस रिलेटेड थिंग्स. I had put up a status जहां मैंने पूछा था ask me anything today, and in that ask me anything today the first question I have got is how to use sabja seeds for weight loss. बहुत interesting question था. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to answer that question to start with, and after that I'm waiting for all you guys to put your questions in the comments. ठीक है ना? अपने अपने questions ready रखो और comments में डाल दो. सारे confusion regarding any kind of food we are going to solve today itself. Okay? So let's start with sabja seeds. पहले तो I think लोगों को सबसे बड़ी confusion ये है कि chia seeds और sabja seeds are they the same or no? Well, let me tell you. Chia seeds and sabja seeds both are extremely different. ठीक है? sabja seeds जो है वो हम फलूदा में डालते हैं. In fact, during Ramzan, I remember as a child, Bandra रहती थी. At that time, Faluda near Bandra station was a big hit. We used to go in the night just to have that Faluda, and I used to always crib कि मेरे Faluda में वो काली काली चीजें छोटी छोटी नहीं है. Okay, so that is how we Indians have been using basil seeds, which is called as sabja seeds. Okay, that is something that you must realize is completely different from chia seeds. Okay, sabja seeds Indian hai, sabja seeds are more of a coolant, but if you take chia seeds are high in fiber, high in omega-3 and have a little higher protein compared to your sabja seeds. तो पहले तो ये दोनों बहुत अलग चीजें हैं. एंड सेकेंडली इनको ये जानना है कि चिया सीड्स हम लोग वेट लॉस में कैसे यूज करें और क्यों. ठीक है, चिया सीड्स जो है वो वेट लॉस में इसीलिए काम आती है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हाई फाइबर कंटेंट. ओके, एज अ डाइटिशियन what is my job? My job is to give you a diet plan to make you lose weight or to manage your thyroid or to manage your diabetes. First what we do is we start increasing the fiber in your खाना. Okay, हम अगर 2 जनरेशन पहले देखें तो हम आटे की रोटी खाते थे एंड दैट आटा यूज टू बी मोटा मोटा बिकॉज हमारे पास मशीन्स नहीं थे जो मैदा और बारीक आटा बना सके. ओके, सो एवरीथिंग, इवन मिक्सर्स नहीं थे, सो यू नो थिंग्स वर हैंड पाउंडेड. योर ग्राउंड नट्स, अगर आप उसको आज पाउडर करो साबुदाना खिचड़ी बनाने के लिए, दे बिकम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन इफ यू कीप गोइंग. प्यूरे बनाना आज एक बहुत आसान चीज है. सो ऑल दिस इज रिड्यूसिंग द फाइबर कंटेंट ऑफ आवर फूड. Okay, if something reduces the fiber content of our food, that is the reason you are gaining weight, because less fiber means जल्दी जल्दी digest हो जाता है और बहुत जल्दी हमें फिर से भूख लगती है. Okay, so that is why when we are giving you a diet chart, we tell you stay away from rava upma and try eating a dalia upma or an oats upma. Okay, stay away from maide ka roti, go ahead and have a wheat roti, go ahead and have a ragi makai ki roti, because उन सब में by nature fiber ज्यादा है. Now when I come to fiber, chia seeds में भी बहुत ज्यादा fiber है. If I give you an example, this bottle is half full. Can you all see this? If I add 3 spoons of chia seeds to this and soak it overnight, the chia seeds will swell and become this much. Do you understand? So इतना सारा water उन्होंने soak कर दिया. 3 spoons of chia seeds will probably end up here. Leave it overnight and it will swell this much. So can you see the fiber content? Isn't it? Yeah. So when you see the fiber content in the chia seeds, that is what you should be worried about when it comes to weight. बट अगर आपने ये सारा इतना चिया सीड्स लेके थ्रू आउट द डे पी लिया, यू विल हैव टू मेक श्योर आपका हाइड्रेशन सही है. ओके, एंड दैट मीन्स दैट आपको रेस्ट ऑफ द डे भी ढंग का खाना खाना है. यू कैन नॉट हैव चिया सीड्स 2 spoons एंड थिंक ऑफ वेट लॉस इफ योर एंटायर डाइट इज नॉट रेडी. आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. मुझे ना ज्यादा नॉलेज देने की आदत है, राइट? Okay, so chia seeds alone, basil seeds alone don't help lose weight. उसके आसपास की डाइट भी सही होनी चाहिए. Right guys, we have so many clients who are following Ramadan so nicely and I want to congratulate all of you जो रमदान में भी डाइट प्लान पे हो. And after that also, I know you all are eating very tasty recipes of balanced nutrition. I keep getting your emails that बहुत अच्छी recipes है और आपको बहुत मजा आ रहा है. But yes, continue this. You still have 2 more weeks to go. है ना? I think today is the 16th or the 17th day and I am looking forward to you guys being very healthy. Right. Very good. I think someone, Naisha's, he is saying, I wanted to upgrade my plan. I have spoken to Urmila. Definitely, and Urmila is very accomplished head nutritionist along with the other 3. We have a team of 4 head nutritionists, namely Kajal, Prajakta, Hardi and Urmila. The senior nutritionists are more than 15 in number, but to name a few, you have Asiya, you have Nazneen, you have Arpita, you have Neha, you have Nikita, you have Anam, you have Shraddha, you have Vaishnavi, Pooja, so the names can go on and on and on. But I will tell you something, they are one of the best teams we have because they are not fighting any kind of COVID fatigue, they are not getting bored, neither am I. We all want to just make sure that हमारा काम जो है, making sure you guys are fit and healthy always makes us alive and kicking. ठीक है ना guys? Now there is question number 2. Can we eat curd when we are having cough? Vandita, if you ask me, I would say there is no harm in eating any kind of curds if you are having cough. If you want, you have it non-refrigerated, you know. अभी तो खैर इंडिया में काफी गर्मी है. अगर आप सुबह घर में दही बनाने लगाओ तो you will by lunch able to eat it. Lunch में कर्ड खाने से the only thing is that it is very high in probiotics and it is very good source of protein and calcium. Okay, right now given the lockdown, जहाँ आप लोगों को पता नहीं, lot of our clients say it is lockdown, can we do it later, but मुझे ये नहीं समझ आता है लॉकडाउन में आप लोगों को exotic ingredients तो बड़े मिल जाते हैं. है ना। एसेंशियल्स में आपको पिज्जा के लिए एवोकाडो मिल जाएगा, आपको रेगुलर मिल जाएगा, आपको आपकी चीज मिल जाएगी, आपको मैंगोज भी मिल रहा है लॉकडाउन में, लेकिन लॉकडाउन में आपको बस डाइट वाली चीजें नहीं मिल रही है. Coming, out of the joke, I wanted to go and tell this message to all my clients that, guys, this is the best time, to have this break in life. Okay, I know everybody's cursing it. Not all of us are in a happy state, but do we have a choice? Is the question you should ask yourself. Can you alone from the world get out into a space where you don't have to worry about the COVID virus, the situation? You don't, right? So जो तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है, apart from what we say, 3 things: vaccine, mask, and diet plan. Diet plan, of course, of balanced nutrition is going to make sure that you are in the top immunity status that you have, right? Yes, Anuja is saying lockdown is the best time to diet. यार आप लोगों के पास 2 ही तो काम है, एक है अपना वर्क फ्रॉम होम, ठीक है, और दूसरा है टेलीविजन, योर फोन, योर इंटरनेट, and all you have to do, or all you want to do, is just one thing, and that is read about the virus or do some other panchayat, right? Why not take this time and take care of yourself? Get a little selfish, है ना. घर में इतना टाइम कभी नहीं मिलेगा. You are, I know, okay, not many of you must, we all had our pay cuts, we all had our financial constraints, but let me tell you where all we are saving. Restaurant bills, we are saving quite a bit. हॉलीडेज, अगर आपने, यू आर समवन हु गोज फॉर हॉलीडेज, आप लोगों ने काफी सारा हॉलीडे पैसा सेव किया है. 3, आई एम अ स्टिकलर ऑफ बाइंग न्यू वॉचेस एंड न्यू शूज. 1.5 साल से कुछ नहीं खरीदा, right? So anything that you like, your fashion wear and all, you haven't bought it. What are you doing? You are saving time commuting. Okay, ऑफिस में आना जाना, जो टाइम हम लोग मुंबई में तो, and of course all the metros in India, you spend hours traveling, which is in your hand. At many places, maids are not allowed and cooks are not allowed. What else do you want in life? तुम बाहर का खाना, okay, you don't have to restrict. Yes, only thing is you have to restrict Swiggy and Zomato and switch to health. वो लोग भी आप लोगों को हेल्थ मील्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. दे आर फैंटास्टिकली गिविंग यू ऑप्शंस. द ओनली थिंग इज योर एटीट्यूड, गाइज. Your attitude has to change towards this whole situation. That's why I started a series on Instagram, which is Lockdown Transformation. And let me tell you, the moment we started digging for lockdown transformations, we right now have more than 100. In the last 1 year, more than 100 people have lost more than 25 kgs in balanced nutrition. More than 110 people have gone and done their thyroid, made it normal. Their blood sugars are in control and they are in better health. You are not even moving, you are stuck, then you are going and getting your back pain treated, you are lying down badly. आप लोगों को और क्या चाहिए? This is the best time. Get that. You cannot go to the gym, you cannot go swim, you cannot do much. What you can do is go to the kitchen and at least choose healthy, right? That is why what we have done is, again, tomorrow we have a fantastic Friday, because everybody is same situation, thinking about the economic crisis that comes a little bit. Okay, so that economic crisis, we are also party to it, and we are going to help you by making sure that all of you who want to enroll, we have a fantastic Friday tomorrow, and all the programs, okay, at Balanced Nutrition are at a flat 50% off, including GST. History of Balanced Nutrition, we've never gone below 30% because our work is like that. We don't have copy paste diets. अगर ऐसा होता, app होता, we would have done with 3 dietitians, but right now we are all working at least 18-19 hours a day. So please, guys, take this program, make the best use of it. Existing clients also always have something. If they upgrade, they have something more than what the new clients get. You have almost up to 60% off on your diet plans. So please make sure, use this time well. Don't ask for breaks, don't ask for timeouts, because it is not possible, guys. ये टाइम वापस कभी नहीं आएगा. The moment you get busy in your life, the moment things are going haywire with your life all over again, you will forget the word health. And coronavirus is enough to tell us how much we should take care of ourselves, right? I get a little serious because every day we are getting multiple cases of our clients being positive, but the best thing is that when we see them quarantine से बाहर आते आते हमारा diet plan करते करते, you know, the health that they gain, and when they listen to us and when they eat properly, my heart is at peace at that time. Komal is saying that protein diet is the best. What is your opinion and what are the veg options for protein? Yes, हम लोगों ने एक डाइट बनाई थी कोरोना वायरस के लिए जिसको हम कहते हैं WPC diet. Okay, the WPC diet is water, protein and carbohydrates, right? We have Prerna and we have Mona who's asking us how to enroll, and what I would suggest to both of you is either DM us or give a WhatsApp or a call on 98204 55544. We have Darshi, we have Aratrika, we have Molly and we have Priyanka, 4 counselors who will be happy to help you get on board, and they will make sure that they are supporting you all the time, right? So everything here is ready. The only thing is this needs to get a reset. So just rewire, re-engineer and go ahead, right? Now the WPC diet, WPC may first W stands for water. Make sure that you are hydrating yourself tremendously. P stands for protein. Every single meal that a corona patient or a COVID patient eats has to be full of protein. What I have done is, for a few clients, we have gone out of the way and told them to consume a protein powder because of lack of appetite, and it has helped them a lot. Which protein powder? Please don't ask me because it is different for different people. There are some people whose kidneys we have to worry about, and some people who are in chronic protein deficiency even otherwise. So first and foremost, protein अपना ध्यान रखना. Vegetarian sources of protein, कोमल कितला छे. You have in the house, in our house only we have besan, which is in North India called sattu, and sattu के काफी drinks बनते हैं. हमारी वेबसाइट www.balancenutrition.in पे बहुत सारी सत्तू की रेसिपीज है. सत्तू के ड्रिंक्स है, सत्तू के पराठे हैं, एंड यस यू कैन इंक्लूड ऑल दोज. एज फार एज अ गुज्जू इज कंसर्न्ड, वी कैन मेक आवर चिल्लास, which is we call pudla. The North Indians and the South Indians can make pesarattu, which is again a moong dal dosa, right? And that is what we should make sure that we are adding in our diet in any form. Next is chana, moong, chole, rajma. You can also add lots of dahi. You can add paneer but made out of milk which has no malai. Okay, you can have lot of chaach in the diet. You can add lot of sprouts. I make sure that my evening snack is a sprout chaat, right? Now there are two very nice questions, which one says how much weight can we lose in a week? You know, Charu, I will answer this question. Back in 2000, and so we started with the online programs in 2015, and in 2016 we had one client from Kuwait where her weight loss used to be 300 grams, है ना? Every session 10 days के बाद 300-400 grams, and love letter लिखती थी. And at that time we were not so advanced. I was also dealing with email for the first time. So many mails are coming. The team was much smaller. We were not 65 people working that time. We were barely 6 or 7 people, right? So you know what we have to do is, okay, I missed out on the number. It is 98204 55544. Okay. So there, Fiona from Kuwait used to send me very happy mails, and I'm like, ये 400 ग्राम lose कर रही है per session, मुझे tension आ रही है. Over 3 months, she has hardly lost 5 kilos, and I am so worried. And then I tell her, Fiona, can you send me your pictures? She emailed me her pictures. She had dropped 3 dress sizes. She had become XXL से M. So I then realized, okay, and that is when we started making the inch tracker and the photo tracker in the app compulsory for you, because at times the only thing working for us is just one, and that is fat loss. So whenever you ask me how much weight you lose in 10 days, I say I don't know, because I will be seeing your assessment, and depending on your assessment, your locality, your location, your ethnic background, आप हो क्या, you know, are you you know, a South Indian, are you a North Indian, Gujarati, आप लोग के आसपास की अवेलेबिलिटी क्या है और आपके गोल्स क्या है, उस हिसाब से एक डाइट प्लान बनता है. And that is where your dietitians come you know, in the picture. So how much weight loss happens, and if anybody is giving you a guarantee enough for weight loss, run away from that place. They are going to play with your body. We deal with your body in terms of fat, muscle, water, age, hormones, every single thing. There it is only one, and that is the scale. Okay, so that is how we are making sure that you get the best diet. So weight loss, well, we have many transformation cases. Just now we got a very nice weight monitor. He's lost 7 kgs in 20 days. Okay, but खा पी के अच्छे से. So unrealistic goals आप नहीं रखना, but we are good to go otherwise, right guys? Okay. Can you eat dahi with iron tablets? Yes, that is some war that is going on when it comes to calcium and iron. The calcium and iron are at war with each other, and they hinder the absorption. So iron pehle ya calcium pehle. But I will tell you one thing, rather than getting into the complications that we generally get into, कि mango में ये होता है, कितना value कैसा, नहीं. Have it the way you want to, how you want to, because if your body needs it, your body will find ways to absorb it no matter what. But if I'm having an iron tablet, I will have it with poha. I will have it with some non-veg on which I have sprinkled some lime, or I will have it with water which has lime, because iron needs vitamin C to get nicely absorbed. Okay. Now I have how to replace milk, and with what? Why would you replace milk? Maushmi, milk का replacement क्यों पूछ रही हो? If you write again, I will ask. Okay. Then Vandita is asking me, what are your fees? Vandita, we have so many programs. We have 1-day programs starting at $4.99. We have 90-day programs. We have 6-month programs. We have various options, Vandita. Just call Darshi on 98204 555 44, and she'll be able to help you. Somebody is asking me about B12 in the vegetarian diet. Jagruti, see, there are 2 vitamins which have got a lot of weightage of lately, and that is B12 and D3. And apparently वो सब में कम आ रहा है. D3 is something that is synthesized in the sun. स्वाभाविक है. India was doing fantastic when it came to D3 levels 3, 4, 5 decades back, I think, because we were all early risers. We used to see the rising sun. We used to be there. We used to make sure that every single day we are out. Either the women used to be doing some work, and the guys, men, we used to be early risers. Now we are a little late in terms of rising. Sun exposure is not so much. हम अपनी गाड़ियों में जाते हैं. So D3 definitely is less, and D3 की dietary, if I even give you some sources, they are not that great. So yes, for D3 you will definitely need supplementation from outside. And as far as your B12 is concerned, B12 also is available in a lot of pulses, vegetables, but the amount sometimes आपकी deficiency दूर करने के लिए supplementation थोड़ा जरूरी हो जाता है. All right. Now someone is asking me, folate is what vitamin? Folate is not a vitamin. Folate is a mineral. It is called folic acid, and what you will need to do is you will need to get it. It is again available in quite a few grains, vegetables, fruits, and these are all micronutrients. Micro मतलब छोटी सी मात्रा में enough होते हैं body में. Okay, so if आप लोगों की deficiency चल रही है इन सब चीजों में, then you should go to a doctor, get your supplementation, and make sure that your values are pathologically correct. Okay. Deepa is asking, what is the role of folic acid? The role of folic acid is mainly for women to make sure that we are having healthy ovaries, healthy eggs, and a healthy uterus. Our hormonal cycles also are a little healthier with nice amounts of folic acid in our diet. Okay. Yes, Maushmi is saying that cows and buffaloes को hormonal injections देते हैं. जी हाँ. So Maushmi, milk क्या? Everything in the food world is either packaged, or it is treated, or it is artificially induced with something. So the best way to go about it is, if you know the source of milk and if you know the dairy, you must make sure that you are ordering from there and keep faith. make sure that you are aware of these things and you're getting a good stock. Same way, not only for milk, make sure that you are as careful about all the other chip packets, biscuits, ketchups and ready to eat foods that may be coming in your house, because they are also far more detrimental. Okay, so knowledge of food labeling is important. Organic dairy से milk मंगवा लो, अच्छे वाले मंगवा लो milk, and you will be better off. Okay, milk replacing is something that I would not really give too much weightage, because lactose intolerance and all is not something that we encounter too much in India. Okay, Vandita is saying she's having cravings. So Vandita, if you are having cravings, तुम्हारे दिन की diet जो है ना, totally overall वहां पे थोड़ी गड़बड़ी है. You might have to visit a dietitian or have an online consultation and get your entire day's diet checked and aligned. Midnight cravings are something that are mostly emotional, or they are because आप लोगों ने दिन में बहुत strict diet कर ली है या दिन में आपने कुछ खाया नहीं है. Okay, then I have, is it normal, one question is it normal that one does not see much weight loss pre and post periods as mine slows down? Yes, it is common, but with time it will improve. Okay, at times what happens is, in fact I'm not a very big fan of watching reels, because मुझे लगता है कि वो एक रेसिपी बता के सबको लगता है ओ वाओ आई एम गोना हैव दिस रेसिपी, बट यार वो हेल्दी रेसिपी खाने के बाद जो अनहेल्दी चीजें हमारी चलती रहती है दैट इज चलो ठीक है. But there I was seeing one girl who showed her abdomen, okay, side facing, and she was showing the bloating that she was getting, and each day, okay, out of the 30 days, each day she had a difference in her stomach measurements. ठीक है ना? So that is the reason, I feel थोड़ा सा leeway ले लो, do as much as you can, but just don't see the scale. Okay, after your periods or during PMSing आपका सारा water retention, bloating सब निकल जाएगा, and you will be able to see that weighing scale. Vaishali is asking me, what is the main reason of irregular periods? There can be a lot of reasons for irregular periods, right from stress, right from them being temporary, right from sudden weight gain, right from hormonal implications. So reasons बहुत है वैशाली. अगर आप ओवरवेट हो तो सबसे पहले प्लीज मेक श्योर आप एक डाइट प्लान लेके अपना वेट ठीक करा लो. अगर आपके हॉर्मोन्स ऊपर नीचे है तो भी आपको एक प्रॉपर डाइट प्लान लगेगा टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग वेरी स्मूथ व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर बॉडी फैट ऑल्सो. ऑलराइट गाइस, then we have Rashmi, our client is asking us कि can she do flat stomach again? Rashmi, wait, Women's Day तो हो गया, I think अब Mother's Day आ रहा है, तो Mother's Day के लिए we have a similar plan. Okay, we are going to make all the mothers do a very nice cleanse again. The other sweet cravings are constant. It is emotional. Sweet cravings इसलिए हो रही है because during the day the food is not taken properly. In fact, today morning itself, a client was complaining too much about those cravings, and what we did was we gave her a breakfast which was very nice and decent in carbohydrates. She did not eat her mandatory chocolate after lunch. So it is all about planning your diet properly. जैसे ही वो डाइट आपकी एक बार प्रॉपर हो गई, आप एकदम सही से सारे क्रेविंग्स भूल जाओगे. Okay, how to maintain weight loss during Ramadan? Why you are asking weight loss maintain करने के लिए? राखी, in fact, I would say go to the website and read our article on Ramadan, www.balancenutrition.in, and just search Ramadan over there. You will get many tips on how to make sure that you are eating healthy as well as not putting on the weighing scale. Okay, perfect. Jagruti, my job is not to tell you how much D3 and B12 tablets to have, because this is something that requires a very private and personal consultation. One-on-one एक बार आप बात कर लेना, and our expertise is also diet. So any supplementation, if at all required, okay, many dietitians in India give, but हम नहीं देते because we believe that we are not experts in that, और हमें वो नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay. Yes, I think I've answered a lot of questions, but I would again like to remind you guys that make sure you all are using this time of lockdown to the best of your abilities and make sure that आप लोग कल का जो डिस्काउंट आने वाला है फॉर वन डे विच इज फ्लैट 50% ऑफ, ओके, दैट इज द टाइम दैट यू विल मेक श्योर मेक अप योर माइंड एंड चेंज योर लाइफ. Another cause of concern is lot of mothers are, writing to us that their children over the last 1 year have gained a lot of weight. This is especially seen in age groups of, I think about 10 और 15 के बीच के बच्चों का जो वेट गेन हुआ है, एवरेजिंग वेट गेन इज 8 to 9 kilos. That is something also that tells you that घर में not only आपकी डाइट बट सारे लोगों की डाइट बहुत 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 ज्यादा चेंज होनी है. एंड इफ दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू आर सी बेसिकली आप ही फीड कर रहे हो ना, घर में जो आ रहा है और जो जा रहा है ये आप लोगों ने ही तो दिया है ना. So what we need to do is we need to correct the eating pattern of the whole house, right? In fact, to our clients that is what we had said that it is the best time. बर्थडेज के लिए हमारे एसेंशियल सर्विसेज की ही डिलीवरी है. सो बर्थडेज में हम अपने लव्ड वंस को क्या भेजे, क्या दे, मिल तो नहीं सकते. A definite gift would be this diet plan. Let them start with 10 days, let them start with 30 days. But if you think that your friend, your family member needs to be on this is the best gift you can give them. Next weekend is Mother's Day. Why not tell your mama that, right? Correct? Okay? Perfect. Right? So Jagruti, you have to WhatsApp 9820455544 and that is how it is. The first and foremost what you need to do is make sure that आप लोग अपना हेल्थ स्कोर चेक कर लो. ओके, हेल्थ स्कोर इज अ टूल दैट गिव्स यू आपका आइडियल वेट कितना होना चाहिए. इट गिव्स यू अ टूल दैट आपका BMI कितना होना चाहिए और आप कितने ज्यादा BMI लेके रखे हो एंड ऑल्सो योर ओबेसिटी कैटेगरी. दीज 3 things आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइज. We can fight not only COVID but any battle provided we are in the best of health. ये वाला टाइम, लॉकडाउन वाला टाइम, क्वारंटीन वाला टाइम, कोविड पॉजिटिव के बाद वाला टाइम भी अगर आप लोग डाइट या कोई भी प्रकार की फिटनेस एक्टिविटी करने से बाज नहीं, हाउ डू यू कॉल इट इन हिंदी, इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दैट, आप शुरू नहीं करने वाले हो, देन आई डोंट थिंक यू विल एवर गेट द चांस अगेन. सो जो हेल्थ हमारी खराब हो रही है उसको संभालो, उसको बचाओ. वी डोंट वांट टू मेक न्यू रिकॉर्ड्स ऑन जोमैटो एंड स्विगी. आप लोगों ने 1 million गुलाब जामुन ऑर्डर कर लिए. रिकॉर्ड ऐसे बनाते हैं कि आप लोगों ने हेल्दी आइटम्स 1 million ऑर्डर करी है. ठीक है, सो डोंट ट्राई एंड गेट इन टू इकोनॉमिकली थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. इकोनॉमिकली डिफिकल्ट जोमैटो और स्विगी तो नहीं हो रहे है ना. हम इतना खा रहे हैं, इतना गलत खा रहे हैं, हमारी पूरी फैमिली सफर हो जाएगी. Isn't it, guys? I hope this message it is a serious message that I really wanted to give. Being on a correct diet will save you 80% more than being on a regular junk diet. So also 90% of the effect on any weight loss, blood sugar, thyroid, in fact infections is positive when you are doing a diet. ओके, सो अगर आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइज के बारे में और डाइट के बारे में कंपैरिजन करनी है कि ओ मेरा एक्सरसाइज तो होगा नहीं तो मैं डाइट बाद में शुरू करूंगी, डाइट अलोन इज 80% इफेक्टिव. ओके, एक्सरसाइज इज ओनली 20% सपोर्ट फैक्टर. So you don't need to do any exercise plan. Second is that someone was asking me over here, what should be the time when you are, what do you say, eating your dinner. So what I would say is that in balanced nutrition, अगर आपको डाइट चार्ट आएगी, इनफैक्ट अगर आप इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग वाला प्रोग्राम लोगे तो, अदरवाइज वी डोंट गिव यू टाइमिंग्स इन डाइट चार्ट्स. Okay, because we don't want your body hunger to be based on this. Okay, your body hunger should be based on your entire mechanism over here. The brain should be able to tell you I'm hungry and sachi wala hungry. That is our job. So yes, I don't know, last meal of the day, अगर आप 12 बजे सो रहे हो तो you must make sure for good digestion, for easy digestion, at least 9:30 बजे आपका डिनर हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, a lot of you are having very disturbed sleep, a lot of you are having extremely erratic hours of sleep. आप लोग 4 बजे सो रहे हो, 3 बजे सो रहे हो. Guys, I would say एक रेसिपी है मेरे पास, on the website also you will find it. उसका नाम है मून मिल्क. मून, चांद रात को, ओके, गो एंड सर्च इट ऑन द वेबसाइट मून मिल्क. अपने पूरे घर को पिलाना एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू आर वेल रेस्टेड. एनीवन हु इज हैविंग एनी बहाना ऑन फॉलोइंग डाइट्स, सारे एसेंशियल्स मिल रहे हैं, थ्रू आउट द कंट्री मिल रहे हैं. Everyone now is become a very pro at using apps also, aunties also, okay, and everyone knows how to use Google Pay, Paytm, सब कुछ. तो प्लीज कोई भी बहाना देखे डाइट प्लान से बाहर निकलना या नहीं कुछ फॉलो करना हेल्दी इज नॉट द वे टू गो गाइस. ओके, today's lecture was a bit heavy, but we are still looking at 2 to 3 more weeks of lockdown as of now. After that we don't know what more will happen, but this time 1 साल हो गया है ना. लोग कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गए हेल्थ वाइज. अगर आप वहीं के वहीं हो तो नॉक नॉक. ऑलराइट गाइज, 9820455544 or www.balancenutrition.in is the website to visit. Till then, bye from me and take care. I will see you again very soon.